Forgive me. Forgive me for not playing small, for being too tall, standing firmly in my own spirit. Rooted, connected, and grounded. The earth, its soil, sustains me when all else fails. Forgive me for not breaking, bending, or snapping. Composure is in me, is me, so wholly and completely. Forgive me for not conforming, forming into you. I am me. No need to be anybody or be for everybody. Forgive me for expanding, space-taking, mold-breaking, too much to hold and no handle. Forgive me that I am not lost in the world, connected so deeply to my own truth. I move with unwavering guidance. Even faith knows me by my first name. So forgive me for being just the right amount of soft and just the right amount of stubborn, for being raised by my strong mother. I am my mother, learning to mother myself so I can forgive me. Place your left hand on your heart, right hand on your belly. Feel and connect into your center. Now take a deep breath and remind yourself, nobody wins when you play small. Nothing begins when you play small. Evolution and growth take place when we stand tall, when we remember who we are, when we go against who we've been told to be. Take another deep breath and feel the life in your hands, this living, breathing home. Remind yourself that you are worthy of kindness, worthy of love, worthy of care, even when no one is there. You are worthy.